Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your currency on the MyMonii application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below, which is the last option. Then you should tap on the preferences section in the general section. There's the second option, and here you can set your language. As you can see now, it is set to English. Then you can set your country, and according to that the default currency will be selected. So if you would like to change your currency, then you should change your country first, and then it will be updated automatically. As you can see, it has been changed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.